have heard that a short walk after a meal will reduce blood glucose in a way that's really dramatic.
Huge amount, 30, 35% just taking a walk around the block after a meal. That's definitely a prescription I think everyone should do because the research is so strong on it, is that building in simply a 10-minute walk around the block or a dance party in the kitchen, moving your muscles for 10 minutes after a meal can drastically reduce your glucose response because you're just bringing all those channels to the membrane, you're taking up the glucose, you're using it. It's a whole different physiology than sitting on the couch after a meal. That's very high impact. It's high leverage if it's after a meal. So highly recommend that. And the levels data and clinical data has shown that out time and time again.
This is 100% true. You've got to move after you eat. So what happens when we eat is our blood sugar responds, right? So typically we might not be eating the best balanced meals. Our blood sugar is spiking and then it's dropping quickly. And we want to prevent that. We actually want to really prevent the big spike. I call them peaks and valleys versus rolling hills. We want rolling hills. Of course, our blood sugar is going to go up in response to food. So we eat and then we go outside. We have all this glucose now circulating in our blood. We go outside and go for a walk. Our muscles are taking in that glucose. It's not just sitting there increasing our blood sugar level, right? We are utilizing it. She says dance party in the kitchen, cute. You know, it's especially if you have kids, great idea. You could even stand and do, air squats while you're doing the dishes. Just something about getting the blood pumping, getting the muscles working so it can draw in that glucose. Super, super important. I mean, we take a walk with our family every single night after dinner. I'm always trying to do something after lunch. I'm typically standing while I'm eating breakfast. And if you're the type of person that's just a little bit overweight, lean is for you. We have 2 ingredients in lean, so our berberine and hops extract, that what they do is help prevent those blood sugar spikes that come with eating, right? So we're more a balanced blood sugar. So the goal is before you eat, take lean 30 to 60 minutes, eat your food, and then go and move your body. And the reviews that are coming in on lean are awesome. People are loving it. They're feeling great. They have a lower appetite. They're losing weight naturally and feel great. So the combination of taking lean 30 to 60 minutes before your meal, eating your meal, and then moving your body for those 10 minutes is the best combination to keep your weight down and your blood sugar in check.